I'm going to show you how to create a HubDB in HubSpot, database in HubSpot. So it's called HubDB. You go to Marketing, Files and Templates, HubDB. So HubSpot database. Create a table, give it a name. Let's say, for instance, members. Yeah, so you're gonna give it members, create, and then you start to add columns. Let's say, for instance, their photo. There is column type. If you go to under column type, there is a lot of type that you can use. So we want image, and here if you want to put description, you put a description there. Add column. Right, so we have photo there. Okay, so add another column. Let's say, for instance, member biography. So this one's going to be rich text because of there is a lot of text that you're going to use. And then we're going to need a description. Description, we can use just the normal text. So we have like this. Okay, so and then okay, so what else? Yeah, so that's the way that you do. So here is going to be like a kind of like a full name. So if you want to add a row here, you can say, for instance, John Dowie. And then here where you upload the image, so let's say you upload the image there. Let's say Sue Dowie. And then here we put our description there, lorem ipsum. And here we're gonna have our texts. Full biography and so forth. So here with what you see, what you get, you can add images, you can add whatever you want. Also here, put your text there. Okay, so you add row, you can have Jen Dowie, and then same thing, text and so forth. And then once it's done, we just publish. So yeah, so if you want to edit, the same thing, you come here, edit, where you can start to edit, you edit there. So let's add another column. The other one we're gonna add is a drop down selection. So let's say, for instance, member role. Select, let's say, admin. We have admin. Okay, editor. Yeah, so you can add like a lot of member role that you have. Okay, so add editor. You have to always click add. Here you can drag. You can drag, bring this thing down. You can delete there. Yeah, so this is the way that you do the single select. If you want to add multiple select, so here what we're gonna do, let's say, for instance, industry. Yeah, industries. This is just for an example. Commerce. Agriculture. Okay, commerce, agriculture, politics. Yeah. interest. I'm gonna call this one interest. As you can see here, you always use the lowercase for this column name, lowercase and underscore. Politics, add. So let's say, for instance, the interest maybe commerce only, or maybe agriculture and commerce. This is the way that the multi-select works, like that. So some other type, let me see some other type. We have so text. There's a normal text, rich text. This is for the URL here. Images, select date. You can use the date there, date and time, number, currency, checkbox, location, and then location. This one here. Let's say, for instance, address. So they're gonna have to put their location there. So with this one is gonna be like a map. You can see there is a map there. Let's say somewhere in Mexico. Just say Mexico, Italy, yes. Okay, update. Okay, so another one here, the column type we have is called video. You can add a video there. Foreign ID. Foreign ID is if you have another table that you want to connect with this main table, you can use a foreign ID. So by that time, we're gonna do it in the next exercise. So this is the way that you create your basic table in HubSpot using the HubDB. And then we have some. If you want to import, this is the way you can import. Show you where to import there. So you can add, you can replace the import. If you want to export, CSV is gonna download. Here, manage settings. If you want to make this one to become like a public API to use it as a letter, for instance, we have a JavaScript so that you can use it in the front end. You can use it as a JavaScript, or you can use this one here just as a abo code. And then here we have enable creation of dynamic pages using raw data. So if you enable this one here, you click this, and then we do like this. Save. As you can see here, it's changed. So now this one is going to become like a page. It's going to have its own single page. So every time, so when you're going to create your listing page, so you're going to have your listing page, and then after that, you're going to have an internal dynamic page. And then here we're going to have like the page title. That's going to be your page title, and then the path name. So that's going to be like www.yourdomain.com/members/ the name of the member, like sudo and something like that. So it's going to be, So this is the meaning of if you want to enable dynamic page, this way that you enable it like that. And then another version we have here. So every time you must publish. Okay, so you can also try to restore if you want to, if you do a lot of revision, this way kind of like if you want to restore to see your revision there. Okay, thank you so much.